Very good morning all. Today I am going to discuss about the first chapter of the physical education. Chapter name is Changing Trends and Career in Physical Education. Here I am going to discuss about what is physical education, objective of physical educations, and changing trends of physical educations and career. Okay. First we discuss about what is physical educations. So physical education, everybody knows that this is the integral part of total education process, which has its aim the development of physically, mentally, emotionally, socially fit citizen through the medium of physical activity, which have been selected with a view of realizing this outcome. Again I repeat, physical education is an integral part of education. It has aim physically, mentally, socially, emotionally well-being in a citizen through the physical activity. It's called as physical education. And so many philosophers they are given their many different views. I'm just saying one views of J.V. Nash. J.V. Nash said that physical education is that phase of the whole field of the physical that deals with big muscle activity with their related response. So Nash said that physical education is the whole field of the education deals with big muscles activities and their related response. And after that I am going to start next one is objectives. But have a look once. This is for the main physical education's definitions of Charles A. Boucher. He said that an integral part of education's process which has its aim development of physically, mentally, socially, emotionally fit citizens through the medium of physical activity, which have been selected with a view of realizing this outcome. And aim of this education is the wholesome development of an individual. That is the aim, wholesome development of individual. Now next one is objectives. Objectives are physically fit, mentally fit, socially fit, emotionally fit. This is called the objective. So objective we are going to discuss. So there are the 6 type of objective: physical development, mental development, social development, neuromuscular, emotional development, development of health. The physical developments most probably this development, in fact it's lead to the development of our organ system such as circulatory system, respiratory system, nervous system, muscular system and digestive system. Physical education is related to physical activity, and when we perform this activity there are various effects of these activities on our organ systems. This system witness growth in size, shape, efficiency, etc. Hence, it can be stated that physical development is possible through these objectives and physical education. This also promoted sound health, which enabled to individual to be a valuable asset for the nation. And next one is the mental development. This is the one most important objective of physical education. This objectives is related to the mental development of an individual. The various physical activity of physical education programs needs alertness of mind, deep concentration and calculate movement. Physical activities sharpen the mind, which in turn is essential to perform various activities. Along with these activities, physical education is also a subject of other educational subjects. It includes rules and regulation, techniques of games, anatomical and physiological studies, balance of diet, sanitization, health and diseases, personal hygienic, etc. In this way, mental development takes place. And next one is social development. These objectives is related to the development of the social traits which are essential for the better adjustment in life. The program of physical education provide a number of ways to develop these qualities. Every individual wants to have a leader-like qualities. Those physical activities are who belongs to different places come closer to one another. They adjust themselves according to the situation. Human relationships are developed. It is a better source for attending the qualities like cooperation, courtesy, fair play, sportsmanship, tolerance, and sympathy. These traits are developed the various programs of physical education. So next one is neuromuscular coordination. Neuromuscular coordination is the better relationship between the nervous system and muscular system. So the activity of physical education provide ample opportunity for the better neuromuscular coordinations in various game situations. Our neuromuscular coordination is developed. Good neuromuscular coordination help to keep up fatigue during vigorous activities. We can use our energy in a proper way if we have good neuromuscular coordinations. We can ensure accurate and smooth functioning of our body. While doing physical activity, our reactions time become less. These activities help in efficient movement of our body part. Thus, though physical activities, our neuromuscular coordination becomes efficient. And next one is emotional development. Emotional development, every individual has various type of emotional, that pleasure, hope, jealousy, hate, fear, anger, etc. If an individual does not have the appropriate control over this emotion, he becomes abnormal and uncontrollable. The emotions are vital for every individual, but excess of this is always bad. The programs of physical education help develop these emotions and also touch us to have proper control over our emotions. By participating in the program of physical education, an individual start having control over his emotions. And next one is development of health. Development of health is also an objective of physical education. It's educated on the prevention of communication of diseases. uh, there are various programs on recreations. The programs of physical education in modern age help reduce anxiety, stress, and tension up to the large extent, so that the individuals experience healthy living. So there are the objectives for the physical education. Objectives are physical development, needs, mental development, social development, neuromuscular development, emotional, and the development of our health. These objectives are very important for the physical educations. So next one, I've discussed about the changing trends in physical education. There are the changing trends. There are the four type of changing. All India Counseling of Sports, Central Advisory Board of Physical Education and Recreations, Netaji Subhash National Institute of Sports, NIS, thus Sports Authority of India. Okay. Sai. So nowadays children are different from those of yesterday. It is a fact of major changes in this society, such as changes in the community and family structures, and then due to the modern technology affect the modern youth. This change affect the society on the whole, especially educations. Indeed, the educations of years cannot meet the demand or need of students for a present age. Similarly, the physical educations of olden days cannot meet the changing needs or demands of the present age. So these are the changing trends. So nowadays the step by step changing the physical educations, then program, the sports program also. So All India Counseling on Sports. All India's Counseling Sports. Just saying about the All India Counseling on Sports. In 1944, the All India Counseling of Sports was constituted of ameliorate the standards of game and sports. Various training centers were established to raise the standard of sports. Under this council coaching camps for sports persons were started. Stadium, gymnasium, swimming pools were constructed to promote sports activity. Development of sports, especially in rural area, took emphasis. And next one, I'm talking about the Central Advisory Board of Physical Education and Recreations. As a first step of Central Advisory Board of Physical Education and Recreations came to existence in 1948. Various suggestions as well as the recommendations were provided by the board to improve the condition and status of physical education in India. It advised the government of make physical education a compulsory subject in school. It suggested to fix the standard for the selections of physical education teachers and also lay down the standard for training. The board launched the scholarship for leadership training and research in the year 1940. It also started the program called Netaji Fitness Corps in physical education institutes throughout the country. Next trend is NIS. NIS, everybody knows the NIS. NIS is a coaching degree. As a result of declining the performance of India in the Olympic Games, and ad hoc inquiries committees was constituted in 1958. These committees recommended the formation of the National Institute of Sports, and consequently the government of India established the NIS in Patiala in March 1961. The main aims of NIS were to prepare the coaches for different sports, to raise the technical standard of coaches, to provide latest knowledge of sports, and organize the semester or orientation courses of physical education teachers. And then next one, I'm talking about the SAI Sports Authority. That in 1984, the Sports Authority of India came into existence. The NIS merged with Sports Authority India. It was established to promote the sports, explore the sporting talent among youth, ensure that the nutritional needs of sports persons are met, and provide infrastructure facilities like stadium and maintain them in proper condition. They provide the scholarship of sports person and pays attention of their healthcare service. So this is for the changing and new trends and physical educations. Nowadays again step by step also is changing. Nowadays health promotions of disease prevention movements are taking importance along with the wellness and fitness programs. As a result of such a movement of physical education, teachers are now incorporating short health and nutrition lessons in the curriculum. Stage is also being laid of personal hygienic. Lifetime involvement in our physical activities is being promoted, which could enrich the life of people, both young and old, male and female, healthy and people with special needs. During the previous decade, many changes have taken place in the field of physical education. It has become a multi-dimensional discipline. So these are for the changing trends nowadays, step by step improving. So today's topics are to just discuss, and I'm just going to give a few that clip of this topic. Have a look once.